If your income depends only on how many hours you work, your growth will always be limited. You can work harder, you can work longer, you can improve your skills, but there will always be a ceiling because your time is limited. Leverage removes that ceiling. Instead of asking, how can I earn more? Leverage asks, how can I multiply what I already do? This is where the real difference appears between average earners and wealthy individuals. Average earners focus on effort. They try to increase income by increasing hours, chasing promotions, or adding side work. Their strategy is simple: more effort equals more money. There's nothing wrong with effort. Hard work matters, skill matters, discipline matters, but effort alone grows linearly. Leverage grows exponentially. Wealthy individuals focus less on how much they work and more on what works for them. There are three main forms of leverage. The first is labor leverage. This is when other people's time contributes to your results. Instead of doing everything yourself, you build systems where others help produce, sell, manage, or distribute. One person can only do so much. A coordinated group can do far more. The owner does not need to personally execute every task. The system keeps moving. The second is capital leverage. This is when money works for you. Instead of only saving income, capital is placed into assets that grow. Ownership in businesses, investments, equity. When capital is positioned correctly, it produces returns without requiring your constant physical effort. The third is digital leverage. This is one of the most powerful forms today. Technology allows something to be created once and distributed infinitely. A piece of content, a software product, an online service. A digital asset can reach thousands or even millions without increasing effort proportionally. The work is done once. The output scales. Now look at the pattern. Leverage separates input from output. Without leverage, results increase slowly because they depend on your daily presence. With leverage, results expand because systems, capital, or technology continue working even when you step back. This is why wealthy individuals prioritize ownership. Ownership creates leverage. When you own part of a system, you benefit from all the activity inside that system, not just your own effort. On the other hand, when someone focuses only on earning more money through personal labor, growth becomes predictable and limited. Income rises slowly, expenses rise too, lifestyle adjusts, and progress feels constant but small. Again, working hard is not a mistake. Trying to earn more money is not wrong. But if that is the only strategy, progress will always require more time, more stress, and more energy. Leverage changes the equation. Instead of asking, how many hours can I work this week? You start asking, what can I build that keeps producing? Instead of thinking only about income, you think about assets. Instead of thinking only about salary, you think about ownership. This doesn't mean you suddenly quit your job or take huge risks. Leverage does not have to start big. In fact, it usually starts small. You learn, you experiment, you build something minor, you invest a small amount, you create one asset, then you improve it, then you add to it. Over time, that small leverage grows, and as it grows, your dependency on pure effort decreases. That's how most successful people do it. They don't begin with massive systems, they begin with small leverage. Then they increase it step by step. The key point is balance. Hard work is valuable. Increasing income is useful. Improving skills is powerful. But combining those with leverage is what accelerates results. If you apply leverage correctly, results can multiply in far less time. So the goal is not to abandon hard work. The goal is to add leverage to it. Start small. Practice it. Understand it. Increase it gradually. Because in the long run, the people who rise the fastest are not always the ones who work the hardest. They are the ones who understand how to multiply their effort. And that multiplier is leverage.